Hi, Lindsay here. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Today when I woke up, I felt like it was going to be a great day. I had a good night's sleep, my body was with me, and sometimes I tend to use like this emotional scale where I say a number. 10 is the best, and 1 is a less good day, kind of crappy day. And today when I woke up, I felt like I was 8 or 9. But a few hours later, things happened as it does in life, and I felt I was kind of like, my number kept decreasing. So I stopped myself and thought that I kind of had to do something to not let myself get to that slope again. And what I want to do whenever I feel that I'm drifting off in the wrong direction is basically to just get in touch with myself, ground myself, connect with my breathing, and try to get out of my monkey mind. And one technique of doing that is, for example, by doing some breathing exercises or movement. And I thought that I wanted to share one technique with you guys called pendulum. Maybe it has other names as well, and you can do it in maybe some different ways, but I'm gonna show it how I do it. So first, come into a seated position comfortably. I feel that I need some extra cushion underneath, so I'm gonna fold my scarf here. I love doing yoga and meditation outside these days, and it's a beautiful autumn day. So here we are. Much better. When you come into a good, comfortable position, let's try to just ground ourselves, get in touch with our body, and be present with ourselves. Take a few deep breaths here. If you know Ujjayi breathing, the ocean breath, go ahead. Two more breaths. Beautiful. Now I want us to get a little bit more in touch with our body, so we'll just do a few movements here, a few yoga poses. Gonna inhale, raise arms up. Exhale, let the arms come down. Inhale, raise arms up. This time, palms to the center. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhale, palm to center. Beautiful. Now take your right hand, place it on your left knee, and we're gonna do a side twist here, gentle. Inhale, broaden the chest, tall, straight spine. Exhale, coming to the center. Other side, left hand, right knee, broaden the chest, gentle twist. Exhale, coming to the center. One more time, other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Roll your shoulders back a little bit forward. And then we're gonna tense our shoulders up towards our ears. And let go as we exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Lovely. Now, tall, straight spine. We're gonna come into the breathing exercise. You can perhaps start by closing your fists, closing your hands, and close your eyes. Or if you want to keep them open for a while until you get the hang of it, go ahead. So we're gonna kind of breathe through our hands. You will get it when I start talking here, but you're gonna take a few deep breaths. And on your next exhale, open up your right hand. Inhale. Pause at the center. Close your hand. Tuck in your chin a little bit. Open up your left as you exhale. Inhale. Close your hand, chin tucked in. Open up your right. Exhale. Inhale to your right. Chin tucked in. Close your hand. Exhale as you open up. Inhale. Close. Open up. And just keep going. Inhale. Beautiful. Keep going. Sometimes I like to visualize a color when I inhale. For example, blue. Exhale, color red. Or any color you like. So I inhale color blue. Exhale color red. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Keep going. And when you're ready, take a few deep breaths with the pendulum breathing. And then just take a few deep breaths, slowly open up your eyes. Beautiful. Maybe you wanna roll your shoulders, maybe wiggle your legs a little bit or your hips. or maybe you're just comfortable just the way you are. Now this breathing technique is a little bit tricky, especially with the tucking in, and if it's too much in the beginning, you don't need to start with that. Just keep with the opening and closing your hands going, and after a while you will get it. I just feel like whenever I do this breathing technique, it kind of helps me recenter, refocus, to be more present, and whatever that has been going on kind of just somehow fade away, because it's too much going on when you have to think about opening up, closing your hands, breathing in, breathing out, color blue, color red, or any other color you like. So for me, that is a good way to just connect with my body, connect with the breathing, and just be. So give it a go if you feel that this could be a tool for you. And just deep breath is just something that helps you clear your mind and get a better focus. So I hope you don't forget your breathing during the day. And I must say that even with whatever that might happen in life, I try to have the approach as let's see here how to put my words. You cannot really control whatever happens in life, right? Life just happens, bad things, good things, and you just have to juggle it all. So I try to think of that, okay, life happens, and I cannot always control it, but what I can is take charge of how I react or how I deal with things. Maybe not in the midst of it all, maybe it's chaotic things going on, or you're going through loss, or you're angry, or there's drama, or whatever that is going on, and it's hard to recenter and focus and find meaning in it all while everything is happening. But when you manage to just connect with yourself, to get that breathing, to get that grounding feeling in your body, sometimes it just helps you to deal, to just breathe in a little bit easier way. So maybe it's not the solution to it all, but maybe it's a tool just how to get by the day. So yeah, now I'm gonna stop rambling here, let you go on with the day. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing.